Hey everybody, and welcome to another video. Today I have decided to walk you through making cinnamon rolls with my bread maker. I made these a few times and they have been a hit every single time, so I thought that I would take some time out to share with you and also just introduce myself for those who are new here. Again, I have gained quite a bit of subscribers recently and I just want to say thank you. And to kind of introduce myself, my name is Brianna. I am a wife and mother of 4 kids plus 1 bonus kid, and we all live in a very small town in California, believe it or not. We don't even have a Walmart here. That's how small the town is. I enjoy being a wife, a stay-at-home mom, but above all, being a Christian. And I think that's really inspired me to do these videos, is kind of just not only take you through my day and show you my life as a stay-at-home mom, but also shine God's light through all of that. So here I am just getting all of everything that I need to make the cinnamon rolls, and I have left the recipe up for quite a while, so if you want to screenshot that, you can do that there. It has been really, I don't know if I want to say inspirational, but it has been so much fun baking recently. Just being able to make different things for the family, as well as trying new things. I am super new to baking and making. This is where I finally figured out my camera angle was no bueno. So let's go ahead and get that fixed. And there we go. Let's get all of this into the bread machine. I'm just putting in all the ingredients as it says. It does say to put in all the wet ingredients first and then put in the active dry yeast. So that's what I'm doing here. But as I was saying, I enjoy being a stay-at-home mom and a mother, but most of all being a Christian mother. It is something that I do really take pride and joy in, and just being able to share that, because I know that watching these videos, it can sometimes seem a little bit overwhelming or even unattainable to be able to cook and clean and take care of kids and have it seem like everything is all put together perfectly, when in actuality and reality it is really hard sometimes. And I am now just getting the hang of it. I've been a mom for 12 years. My oldest is 12. But even with the time, having multiple little ones, being a wife, having a home, dealing with a day-to-day life, it can get pretty stressful. So baking has been something that has kind of brought me a bit of therapeutic, I guess, therapy to some of those rough days. Just being able to make something delicious and bring something to the table that I know everybody's going to enjoy really brings me joy. And in return, I feel like I feel a lot better throughout the day. I am using all-purpose flour instead of cornstarch. I did read that that was a good alternative, and it ended up working out pretty well. I just used the same exact measurements as it asked for that cornstarch with the all-purpose flour. So normally I would put it to leaven dough, but today I did pizza dough setting. Because the book did say that it did have to be in the bread machine for about 50 minutes, and this was the closest to that I could find. And again, this has all been trial and error, but it has been working out pretty well. And then once you'll see here, I am going to go ahead and take it out once it has been completed, and everything looks actually really good. I was so excited and happy about that. I'm just going to go ahead and put it into the bowl for about 15 more minutes and cover it up and let that sit, and then we will go ahead and start to roll it out. Also, y'all, this postpartum, my hair has grown back so unbelievably thick. You can even see all the baby hairs right there that have grown. It is wild, but a an answered prayer because my hair was falling out so badly after this last baby. So this is a typical day of baking and cooking, and I'm gonna get ready to start making dinner here in a little bit. It is 11 o'clock and I am getting the kids. Just made them some chicken strips in the air fryer and gonna make myself a little bit of lunch, then get the rest of it going. As I'm doing all this, as I'm cooking, I'm also cleaning. I'm also cleaning hundreds of messes all over the house, but that is just kind of our routine. Like I do as I need here in the kitchen to make sure that lunch is prepared, dinner's prepared, all of those things, so that way the next day we also have things and it's easy just to pop in the oven or pop in the microwave and things like that. I made cinnamon rolls yesterday and they were so good that I'm making them again today for you guys today. So I just wanted to pop in and let you kind of know of how things go around here, how we do things. I'm currently watching YouTube, of course, and the kids are doing their thing. And yeah, that's just kind of how it goes. So let's keep it going. Let's keep it cooking. I promise you guys, I'm gonna start a GoFundMe to help get some better kitchen utensils when it comes to baking. Because most of this was all $1 or less, whether it was at Dollar Tree or Target's dollar section. I'm working on it, guys. Don't judge me. But I am just getting the filling ready because as soon as I am done letting the dough rise, I'm going to go ahead and get that filling put in there to get these cinnamon rolls rolled up. And I also put that in the recipe at the beginning of this video, so if you need that, just rewind and that'll all be there for you as well. All right, we're getting this baby rolled out. And as I roll out, I just want to give you some encouragement. I know how hard it can be, especially with the summertime here and having all the kids at home. I have kids ranging from 12 to almost 10 months old. I know the need is far and great in between each child, but I do want to just give you some words of encouragement from the Bible. John 14:27 says, "Peace I leave with you, my peace I give to you. Not as the world gives, do I give to you. Let not your heart be troubled, neither let them be afraid." So when you get weary, when you get tired, when you get overwhelmed, overstimulated, I think it is important to take time to just rest, even if you have to set yourself a timer and give yourself those 15 minutes to clean and do what you have to do, and then just let yourself rest. Those things will get done eventually. The laundry will eventually get folded and put and changed out. The diapers will get changed. The bottles will be made. But sometimes we have to just give ourselves some grace and some peace. Sit down and just relax and let everything kind of just ease out and trust that God has a purpose, He has a plan, and that He does see us. Even us moms at home who people think we have it so easy because we get to stay at home all day with our kids and we don't have to worry about the hustle and bustle of a 9 to 5. Little do they know that it is very hard. I've been a working mom and I've also been a stay-at-home mom, and I can definitely say, although being a stay-at-home mom is much more rewarding, it is so much harder. And then there are those who have to stay at home and still have to work. So I just want to encourage you that when you feel weary, when you feel restless, just to cling on to the hope that God sees, even us as stay-at-home moms. Those working moms, the moms who do all of it, He sees you. Don't judge my little tie, but this is all I had to get these as clean as possible. It was working at first, and then towards the end it just was a hot mess, but it did get the job done. After this was over and done with, I did set them out on a warmer on top of my oven just to see if they would rise a little bit more before I popped them into the oven. Alright, these are ready to go in at 350 for 30 minutes. So we're gonna pop these in, see how these babies turn out, and then we're gonna go ahead and get our Alfredo sauce going. Alright, they turned out so beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys try out this recipe. If you do, leave a comment down below on how they turned out. See you guys later.